Hello students, welcome to PRS Math World. Today we are going to discuss about vector calculus practical problems. See practical problem 3. Evaluate the line integral integration C f dot dr where f is a field that is given in terms of xyz and the curve C is given in terms of t where t limits are given. So to find the line integral, curve is given, x is t, y is t square, z is t square and t limits are given that you have to write. And what is the field is given, convert this field in terms of t, that is z is equals to what, t square, substitute here, and x is nothing but t here, and x plus 2y, when you are substituting x is t, y is t square, whatever it is given. Then it is in terms of t here. Now the position vector always we are taking as x, y, z, that is the position vector. Also we have to convert this in terms of t by taking x equals to t, y equals to t square, z equals to t square. Okay. After that take the differentiation with respect to t. dr equals to 1, derivative of t is 1, t square derivative is 2t, t square derivative is 2t in terms of with respect to t, that is why dt we have to write. Again what is the line integral? Integration f dot dr, that is what? Integration limits are 0 to 1, t limits, and f dot dr is nothing but this one. Again by taking dot product, first into first, that is 5t power 4 into 1 plus second into second, 2t into 2t, next third into third. After multiplying take the t square terms, t cube terms, t power 4 terms. Again take the integration. What is integration of t square? T cube by 3. T cube integration is t power 4 by 4. Again t power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5. And take the constant as it is and whose limits are 0 to 1, and substitute upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit? 1 minus lower limit, then you can get the line integral value. What is that? 4. See practical problem 4. Find the line integral of the vector field. Same question, line integral we need to find where field is given and the curve is given. In the previous problem in terms of t is given, but in this problem in terms of x is given, y, z in terms of x and whose x limits are given. So convert all that line integral value in terms of x because x limits are given. So what is given that you have to write first. Field also in terms of y, z, we are taking y, z in terms of x by substituting y and z are e power x is. Then you can get u in terms of x. Again obviously r is the position vector, x, y, z, and y, z also we have to convert in terms of x. Now see dr, differentiate that, x derivative is 1 and e power x derivative is e power x into, with respect to x we are doing, that is why dx. Again integration as u dot dr is nothing but what? U dot dr value you have to substitute and take the dot product. Dot product means obviously first into first plus second into second plus third into third. Then after solving this, e power x 2x into e power 2x plus e power 2x is 2 e power 2x. Again take this integration as it is. Now see here, 2 take it as it is, e power 2x integration is e power 2x by 2. Again u into v formula by using Eilert formula, what you need to do? Eilert, arithmetic first, exponential next. So this taken as u and this taken as v. And u into v integration formula is u integration v into dx minus integration u dash into integration v into dx whole dx. So by substituting this, u into x into integration v, that is integration e power x is e power x minus integration of u dash, x derivative is 1 here and integration of e power x is e power x. Again integration of e power x into dx is e power x. Again take this as it is, whose limits are 0 to 1. Substitute all upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit means 1 here, e power 2 into 1 is e power 2 minus e power 0 here plus again 1 substitute here, minus of 0 substitute, when you are substituting 0 means 0 into anything is 0, minus of minus plus e power 0 here. Again e power 2 here minus e power 0 is 1. Again e minus e gets cancelled. Again here it is 1, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, then you can get the line integral as e square. So similarly practical problem 5 and 10, we have the same question for practical problem 5 and 10. Evaluate the line integral of the vector field u is given as in terms of x, y, z and the curve is given x in terms of t, z in terms of t and y is 0 means it is in xz plane. But t t limits are given. So here t limits are given in the sense you need to convert all those field and position vectors in terms of t. So what is field that is given? We are writing here and converting in terms of t. X value 1 plus t, y is 0, it is given. Again z is t square, substitute all those values, then you are converted in terms of t. Similarly, position vector x, y, z. X is 1 plus t, y is 0, that is given, z is also given in terms of t. Again what we need to do? Differentiation with respect to what? T, obviously. So dr is equals to t derivative is 1, 1 derivative is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0. T square derivative is 2t into with respect to t we are doing so dt. Again similar what is that? Line integral, integration u dot dr is nothing but what, girls? 0 to 3 u means this one into dr means this. Again take dot product means x term into x term, 0 into 1, t power 4 into 0, 0, third term into third term. Again you can get in terms of t, that is 2 into t. What is t integration? T square by 2 plus 2 into t square integration is t cube by 3, whose limits are 0 to 3. Again by substituting the limits, then you can get the answer will be 27. Okay. Now we will see practical problem 6. Find the line integral of f is given along the curve consisting of two straight line segments y equals to 1 and x limits are given as 0 to 1. So here x limits are given means you need to convert all in terms of x's, and here line segment y equals to 1 is given, then you can substitute in the field. So y equals to 1, x take it as it is, 0 is 0 because it is in xy plane, so obviously z is 0, it is given. X limits are given and field we are converting y equals to 1, I mean we are substituting y equals to 1 here, then this is in terms of x only. After that obviously r is the position vector x, y, z, again x is x itself, y is equals to 1 that is given, z is 0. Again take the differentiation with respect to x because x limits are given. So with respect to x means x derivative is 1, constant derivative is 0. Again substitute in integration f dot dr, substitute f and dr values, then take the dot product 1 into 1 1 plus minus x into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0. Again integration 1 into dx is x, whose limits are 0 to 1, and substitute upper limit minus lower limit, then you can get the line integral value as 1. Now see this practical problem 7. Find the circular of a vector field, circulation of vector field f is equals to y minus x 0 around the unit circle. Here circle, which type of circle it is? Unit circle, that means whose radius is equal to 1, then we can say it is a unit circle that is given, and z equals to 0 means it is in xy plane taken in anti-clockwise direction. So here also we need to find what? Line integral obviously. So what is given? Unit circle equation is given. So what is unit circle now? R equals to 1 and whose center is 0 comma 0. So convert this circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is the circle equation whose center and radius are given. Whose center is what here? 0 0, h comma k is 0 0 and r is 1 here. Okay, this is nothing but what? Closed circle, closed curve. This is also one curve, but which type of curve? Closed curve. So to find the line integral over this closed curve f dot dr, we need to take into parametric form because here limits are not mentioned. So we need we know that in a circle theta is always lies in between 0 to 2 pi, that's why we are better to change it into parametric form. So here x is equals to what? Cos theta, y is equals to sin theta. These are the parametric equations because center what are the parametric equations? H plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta, where h comma k is what? Center 0 0. When you are substituting 0 0 here and r equals to 1, substitute in this, then you can get x equals to 1 into cos theta, y equals to 1 into sin theta, where theta lies in between 0 to 2 pi. Now the same way we can change the field also in terms of theta by taking y equals to sin theta, x equals to minus cos theta, that is cos theta, and 0 as it is. Take the position vector obviously x, y, z and substitute in terms of theta. Again take the differentiation, then you can get minus cos theta derivative is minus sin theta derivative is cos theta, and 0 derivative is 0. We are doing with respect to theta, that's why we are taking as d theta. So line integral, substitute f dot dr values, again sine into sine, sine square, here minus, minus, plus minus cos into cos, minus cos square theta plus 0. Again minus taken as common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So integration of 1 is theta, minus take it as it is, whose limits are 0 to 2 pi. When you are substituting upper limit minus lower limit, then you can get minus 2 pi, which is the line integral for the given field.